All right, so I hope this small example illustrated how DFS, BFS, and ECS work and how the fringe is maintained as a queue or as a stack. Now let's take a last example using the map in which I'm going to illustrate BFS, DFS, and UCS one more time. So suppose we are having this graph and we do a graph search on going from the start of Las Vegas to the city of Calgary. All right, so we are going to explore with the BFS first. So remember, BFS goes by layers. So I'm going to start with the city of Las Vegas. From Las Vegas, we can go to either Los Angeles or Salt Lake City. So I'm going to explore that in lexicographic order. So it's going to be Salt Lake City or Los Angeles. Okay, so that would be the first layer of the BFS. Now from Los Angeles, we're going to explore the nodes that are either Phoenix, El Paso, or San Francisco. So it's going to be, we are going to put them again in lexicographic order. So it's going to be El Paso, or Phoenix, or San Francisco. Okay. On the other side, for Salt Lake City, the cities to explore are Denver, or Helena, or Portland. And we don't add actually Las Vegas for the same reason that it was already explored. Then next, so we did the first layer, we're doing the second layer. Now we're going to go to El Paso. So El Paso has as children Los Angeles, which is already there. It has Dallas and Santa Fe. So I'm gonna explore Dallas and Santa Fe. Okay, I'm gonna add E just to differentiate from San Francisco. Okay, so now how about Phoenix? So Phoenix has as children Santa Fe, which is already there. It has as children Denver, which is already here. And it has, that's pretty much it. So we are not going to explore Phoenix anymore. So how about San Francisco? San Francisco has Salt Lake City, it's here. It has Portland, which is here, all right? And it has Los Angeles, which is already also as well explored. So the search on this side is actually, for this third level here, is over. We're going to go to the next level. From Denver, we can go, where is Denver? So Denver is here. We can go to Salt Lake City back. No, it's already explored. We're going to explore Omaha or Kansas City. So I'm going to put Kansas City and Omaha, okay? So from Kansas, then for the next level, so it's going to be for the city of Helena, we're going to explore the city of Calgary. And bingo, we found Calgary, all right? So the search was done technically going level by level, right? And remember that we are not adding an element in the exploration if it's the element was already explored or it's already in the fringe to be explored. And for your reference, you have the order of visit that's given in this path here. That's actually the order in which we have been exploring the graph to reach Calgary. All right, so you see how we are exploring level by level. At the end, we are going to reach Calgary at the third level in the search. So how about DFS? DFS maybe is easier to explain. We're going to go all the way deep into the same path. So we're going to, again, assume we are going from the city of Las Vegas to the city of Calgary, but we're going to go probably all over the place before we go there. So because of how DFS works. So DFS explores the full path. Let's see, so from Las Vegas, we're going to, remember, we are going to push the elements in the stack in reverse lexicographic order, right? So from Las Vegas, we're going to explore the city of, we could do Salt Lake City or Los Angeles. We start with Los Angeles. So the children are Salt Lake City and Los Angeles, but because of this, we're going to start with Los Angeles. So from Los Angeles, we're going to go even deeper. So explore the element of the children of Los Angeles. We have San Francisco, Phoenix, and El Paso. El Paso is first, so it's going to be El Paso. From El Paso, we're going to either go to Santa Fe or Dallas or Los Angeles. So it's going to be either Santa Fe or Dallas. So we're going to start with Dallas, and so on and so forth. So when we reach New Orleans, we're going to have to go either to Miami or to Atlanta. We'll start with Atlanta. From Atlanta, we go to Charleston. From Charleston, we could either go to Raleigh or to Miami, but both of them were added earlier by actually Atlanta. So we're not going to go the Charleston way. So we're going to go from Atlanta to Nashville to St. Louis to Chicago, Duluth, Helena, and the city of Calgary. So for reference, again, I give you the order of visit of the different cities in the depth first search in this depth first search. So for UCS, we're going to do BFS, and we take care of the cost in this time. So going to the cost to a city would be how much we spent so far, how many kilometers are there to reach the city. So for example, we start with Las Vegas. From Las Vegas, so again, we want to go from Las Vegas to Calgary. From Las Vegas, I can take either a route of 65, a route of 89. So I'm going to pick Los Angeles first. So from Los Angeles, I can go either to Phoenix, El Paso, or San Francisco, and the shortest would be to go through San Francisco, right? But so far I have 66 plus 100, or 66 plus 109, or 66 plus 191. So I pick this path first. Okay. The next one would be to go the next one would be Salt Lake City. So it's going to be 89. From Salt Lake City, I could go to Denver, to Helena, or to Portland. So I'm going to sum up the costs, and whenever I need to move to another direction to, for the search, I'll do that based on the cost. So I'm going to prioritize by cost this time. And for reference, again, the order of visit is this order here that is purely based on the cost to reach each of the nodes starting from Las Vegas. So how about UCS? UCS prioritizes by cost. So we're going to start from Las Vegas, and we are going to explore which would be the shortest path or the shortest cost to reach the city of Calgary. So from Las Vegas, we can spend 66 kilometers to get to Los Angeles, or we can spend 89 to go to the city of Salt Lake City. Okay? So obviously, we're going to pick 66 because it's the shortest. From Los Angeles, we could go to either San Francisco with a cost of 100, which make the path 166, or to Phoenix with a path of 109, which will make 66 plus 109, or to the city of El Paso with a cost of 191. So in all of these, 89 is best, right? So I'm going to go now through, so remember it's a kind of level by level but jagged. So I'm going to go through Salt Lake City now, because this is the shortest cost I have so far. Salt Lake City, I will go through the possibilities of Helena, Portland, and Denver. Denver is 101, Helena is 175, and Portland is 175. So I'm going to still keep comparing the elements. So after Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Salt Lake City, after Salt Lake City, I'm going to go to San Francisco, right? Because that's actually comparing all the total of the costs are going to go to San Francisco better, because it's going to be 166, which is the shortest. So I got the idea. So I'm going to keep going by prioritizing by the shortest cost. And for reference, the order of visit would be the set of cities given here. Okay? So I hope this clarified the different techniques. Thanks very much for watching.